Come and join us today at Andy's Frozen Custard. They're just opening a new location in Florida, and they invited us to take some behind-the-scenes peeks at how they make their custard.
Hey, today we're at Andy's.
And we're going to try every single ice cream.
Well, just about. We're going to be able to try to sample quite a few things. Are you guys ready?
It's going to take 1 hour.
1 hour, maybe.
Yeah.
Well, this place is one of our favorites. We've eaten here in Sanford before and love it.
So I like that they have a drive-thru option as well as being able to walk up and order at the counter, because it can be overwhelming at first if you've never been. They have a ton of flavors. And you can also go on their website to see what locations they do have. They have several here in Florida. The one in Ocoee is the one that is opening on the 26th of July this year, but it looks like Missouri has a ton, as well as Texas. And they do have special flavors. Right now is key lime pie and peach dream. I've heard in the fall they have an amazing pumpkin concrete as well. They do have kids sundaes, Italian ice, brownie sundae, banana split. You can get quarts to go. So basically all the concretes and jackhammers, they're going to start with a base of either vanilla or chocolate custard, and then they have different toppings for each one. Same thing with the shakes. They have a root beer or cream soda freeze and floats. We're going to show you a few different flavors that we were able to sample, and a big thank you to Andy's for inviting us out. I was excited to try some that we hadn't tried before.
Jack, what do you
So let's show you what we got.
I got the pretzel caramel crunch.
And what'd you get, buddy?
Turtle.
Hers is a concrete with caramel and pretzels with the vanilla, and Jack's is a turtle sundae. My mom is a big fan of key lime pie, so she was excited to try the concrete. It's vanilla frozen custard with a whole slice of key lime pie. And then they recommended that I try the Boot Daddy, which is vanilla frozen custard, Oreos, caramel, and hot fudge. It's one of their top sellers.
What do you guys think of yours? Do you like it? It's got some, looks like pecans and hot fudge, cherries, vanilla, custard. How was yours, Grandma?
It's really good.
Does it taste like key lime pie?
Oh, just like it.
Just like it? I like that it's not too tart. It's like still got the vanilla, nice like base to it, and then just chunks of it, so it's not overpowering.
It's not overpoweringly sweet either. It's really, really good.
Yeah, I like it.
I definitely understand why the Boot Daddy is one of the top sellers. It was really good and rich, but I'm going to show you one of our favorites coming up in a minute. I also wanted to sample the Peach Dream Concrete because that is a seasonal one. I will say it tasted mostly like vanilla. The peach wasn't overpowering.
I don't know how he'll like it because he's not a big peaches fan.
I'm a big peaches fan.
But usually Buddy doesn't like peaches.
Next one up we got to sample was the birthday cake shake. It has pieces of cheesecake and sprinkles. My kids love anything birthday cake, so we had to try it.
Alright, so which one is the winner, the peaches or the birthday shake? Peaches?
That's surprising.
I know. Let me try the birthday shake too. I like how you can see.
I like the birthday shake more because the peaches one, it doesn't have much flavor to it.
It's like a hint. Let me try with, I need to find a peach in here. Okay.
It's right there.
There you go.
Oh, there's another peach.
Well, you can eat it. Maybe you like real peaches and not peach flavor. Peaches blended with a malt cream, creme, caramel, and delicious frozen custard.
But the real star of the show was the James Brownie Funky Jackhammer. The jackhammers are different because it has hot fudge throughout the middle, the center of it, and it was delicious. It has the vanilla frozen custard, peanut butter, brownies, and the hot fudge in the middle. Vanessa was doing happy dances after this.
That is definitely one of the best ones.
Oh, the black stuff, the black stuff.
I got the black stuff.
Happy dance, happy dance.
Oh my gosh.
And then we had a special peek inside. They actually make the frozen custard every 60 minutes fresh. So one machine makes the vanilla frozen custard and the other one makes the chocolate. And for the vanilla custard, they actually have to add the vanilla extract to the machine. And I will say it's very consistent because the other location tasted the exact same.
We have something called the triple chocolate concrete. I can show that off for you. What we're gonna do, right, is just come along the side of the buckets. Make it nice and round for us, right? We'll put that right in. We're gonna follow up with another. It's gonna be a flat scoop. We'll put this straight to the top. All right. nice and on top. Yeah, really get it all in there. It's one of my favorite treats. You know, I always love the triple chocolate. To be honest with you. Some cookie dough in there.
Oh, nice.
Right, and then we're just gonna blend it using our Custard blender. We got our foot pedal down here. You gotta turn this down.
Nice.
Then we'll smooth out that top. Yep. You have yourself beautiful triple chocolate right there. Toppings all mixed throughout. It's absolutely lovely. One of the toppings that we have here in Andy's, we've got our coconut cookie bar, some M&M's, some Oreos. Our brownies really are delicious.
I like M&M's.
Yeah, we just had it in the,
James brand.
yeah.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, we just had it with that
Named
one.
after the king of funk, apparently.
Yeah.
Let us know if you've been to Andy's Frozen Custard, and if you haven't, you need to ASAP. And a big thank you to Maddie and Liz Shea for helping support our channel. People like you help us to keep going and doing what we love.
Stay in the kids, subscribe for more videos. Go to our channel, subscribe. Cut.
Click this video next if you want to see another amazing dessert. There's one in Winter Park close to Orlando. They have a few locations, lots of good things, especially their cream puffs.